Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Blood Sugar on guitar. We will begin by setting up your instrument correctly. First, make sure your guitar is in standard tuning. Then, focus on the fundamental chord progression that forms the backbone of the song's verses. Practice transitioning between these chords smoothly, aiming for clean, ringing notes with each strum. This foundational work is crucial for building your performance. Next, let's tackle the song's iconic main riff. Begin by identifying the exact notes that comprise this memorable part. To play it effectively, employ alternate picking, which helps with both speed and precision. Don't forget to use palm muting to get that characteristic tight, percussive sound. Start practicing the riff slowly, gradually increasing your tempo as your accuracy improves, ensuring consistent rhythm. Now, we'll move on to the solo and the song's dynamic elements. Break the solo down into smaller, more manageable phrases to learn. Concentrate on expressive techniques such as string bending and vibrato to add feeling to your playing. It's also important to understand and apply the dynamic shifts throughout the song, moving from soft to loud. Experiment with your guitar's tone to get closer to the original recording. Finally, here are some essential practice and performance tips. Always use a metronome. It's invaluable for improving your timing and consistency. Aim for regular practice sessions, perhaps 15 to 20 minutes each day. Playing along with the original track will help you capture the song's feel and nuances. Recording yourself is also a powerful tool for identifying areas where you can improve. Enjoy the journey of mastering this fantastic song.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.